Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick. Let me take a sip of water. Ooh. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Listen, I appreciate each and every one of you. Every time you come in, you stop, drop a comment, like, share, whatever it is you do, man. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, man, so you can stay updated and notified anytime I come with some valuable information. Listen, like I said, man, I am the Multiple Stream King, all right? And I got something for y'all, okay? I got something for y'all. I be listening, okay? I hear y'all. Y'all see what I got going on. Y'all know that I make money online. And a lot of you all emailing me, inbox me, even on Facebook. Derek, man, I want to get started, but I can't come up with the money. I don't got the money. Listen, I'm about to eliminate all excuses, okay? Do you have a PayPal account? If not, sign up and get your PayPal account right now. It's super simple, okay? Do you have a cell phone? All right. Do you got a smartphone? It's real simple, okay? If you got a smartphone, if you got a PayPal account, I'm about to show you how to make some free PayPal cash today. Okay, so listen, this is all you gotta do. Let's go right into it. I ain't finna keep talking and playing. Okay, all right. You click on the link below. bit.ly/break the broke cycle. Why did I call it break the broke cycle? Because in 2018, no one should be broke. There are so many opportunities out here, man. There's no reason for excuses, and I'm the excuse eliminator. There ain't no more excuses. Okay, if you have a cell phone, all right, there's money to be made. Okay, if you have a social media account, there is money to be made. I'm going to show you how to do it and how simple this is. So first of all, click on that link. You're going to go here. Okay, you're going to put in your first name, your last name, email address, Gmail only. Okay, create a username, create a password, retype the password, and go in. Okay, create your free account. What's going to happen? Okay, this is how simple this is for you to make money. Okay, simple. Okay. You are going to sign up. Sign up. All right. After you do this part right here, you're going to receive 2 emails. The first email is going to let you know, hey, you are not verified just yet. All right. You're going to receive a second email. That second email is for you to verify your account. Hit confirm. Once you do that, you're going to log in. Let's show you what happens once you log in. So I'm logging into my account right now, y'all. This is free. No money. No money. Listen, you don't have to pay a dime. Okay. Let me scoot myself out the way so you can see everything. Alright, so as you can see at the top, it says, Howdy, Derek Williams. I was introduced to this by my buddy, my business partner, Jeremy Blackman, man, self-made millionaire, JB, what we call him. You know, he caught the value in this. I seen it, said, man, this makes sense. I know so many people that can use this right now. Let me get it. All you going to do, come in here. Alright, it's going to show you to get started. But first thing you need to do, watch this video. Okay, now listen. You're going to hear stuff about they're going to try to upsell you on other stuff. You don't have to do none of that. Free opportunity. I told y'all free, no games, no gimmicks. Stick with the free opportunity for all you want. If you want to do some of this other stuff, extra stuff, that's you. Okay, I have several things that I'm doing. All right, so I'm really not trying to get involved with some of the other stuff. But the free money is simple, it's easy. Why not? And I know so many people that want to do business with me but don't have the upfront capital. I have businesses as low as $34 to get started, but people don't have it for whatever reason, man. So here it is. All right, no excuses at all. Okay, now listen, watch this video, and all you're gonna do is come in here to update PayPal account. Okay, put your PayPal info in there. All right, you're gonna go right here to update your PayPal. If you do not have a PayPal account, go create one. It's super simple. All right, super simple. If you don't know how to create a PayPal account, man, type it in on YouTube. How to create a PayPal account. It's simple. I promise you. Put it in Google. Okay? Then you're going to go get your referral link right here. Simple money, y'all. Come get some money with the Multiple Stream King. I'm going to show y'all, man. Y'all not going to be broke watching me. Copy this link. I'm going to show you something real quick. You take this link and you go to bit.ly. Okay? bit.ly. That's all you type in the URL. bit/ly. Okay? All you're gonna do, BitLinks is free. All right, free to come here and do this. Okay, you're gonna go here. You're gonna go to create. Watch how simple this is, because as you know, you're gonna be marketing this on Facebook. or any other social media platform, you don't want to put that long link. Okay, let's look at that link again. I'm gonna make this self-explanatory, man, so we don't have no excuses. All right, you're getting a live training right here, so you can go ahead and put this to action right now. You see that link? You don't want to put. First of all, if you put that live link on Facebook, they're gonna block it. They may delete. They're not probably not delete your account, but they're gonna, they'll delete that post. All right, because they don't want third-party links on their account. So there's a way around it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is go back to bit.ly. See what it says? Paste long URL. You're gonna paste that bad boy right up in here. All right. Once you paste that link, you go to create. Okay. I've already done one. That's why you see mine says break the broke cycle. Okay. So I name mine break the broke cycle. So now, when I go back, watch this. If I put in bit.ly. I'm sorry. Yeah, bit.ly / break the broke cycle. Boom, watch what happens. Watch what happens. Alright, give it just a moment. Takes me directly to that account. Alright, you see what it says? You are currently logged in. The registration process will not run for a logged in user. You must log out to run the registration process. Right, but I'm just showing you I'm logged in and saying howdy Ladarius Williams. I'm in. Okay? That's simple. Alright, so now let me show you something else. How are we going to market this thing? Okay? Because I know you're saying, oh, how am I going to market it? I don't know that many people. Listen, first of all, you got to get your mindset right, y'all. Stop thinking about how am I going to do this, how I can't do that. You're going to figure it out. Alright? But the last thing we're going to do on the Ladarius Williams on the Multiple Stream King channel is complain. Alright? Make excuses. And we definitely not going to be broke. So watch this. I got you. Okay, I got you. Simple, simple, simple. Watch this. All I want you to do is, what I did was I clicked on it, okay? If you're not Facebook savvy, all I did was click on where it wanted me to come in. If you're on your phone, all you got to do is touch it. These colors going to pop up. Use a color background, okay? All I want you to say is, who has, I'm sorry, my computer a little slow because I have a lot of things running. Hold on one second, y'all. I don't know why it's trying to get big on me. Simple as this. Who has a PayPal account and want to make some free money? Let's put the question mark. Then you can say message. Oh no. Comment below for more info. That's simple. Who has a PayPal account and wants to make some free money? Comment below for more info. Put that on your Facebook page. They're going to go crazy. I like to keep stuff simple, man. There's no reason to overcomplicate this stuff. Super simple, okay? Put that on your Facebook page. You can put this inside Facebook groups. Real simple. And all they got to do is two things. Sign up. Verify the email. You're not asked for any bank information. None of that. And like I said, you might receive emails. You might see stuff about they're trying to upsell you to do this and do that. I'm talking about the free program. The free program, okay? All right, they're going to give you $1 for every person that signs up. Now you say, $1? That ain't no money. Well, it really is. Okay? You got to think about there's billions of people on Facebook. All right? So you can really get out there and master and really blow this thing up. All right? By sharing it with any and everyone on all social media platforms. Share it on Facebook. Share it on Instagram. Share it on YouTube. Share it on Snapchat. Share it on Twitter. That same exact message. All right? And if you really want to get to the bucks, you'll get behind the camera, turn the camera on, and talk about how you're getting some free money. If you got a PayPal account, all right, and you got a smartphone, you can make some free money right now. They pay out every week, I believe Sunday or Monday. Simple, man. Self-made millionaire shared this with me. He has multiple streams of income. Seen this and said, why not? So what's your excuse, okay? Do you have millions in the bank account right now? I'll tell you why you don't. It's because you don't recognize opportunity when you see one. Jump on this, man. Make some free. Listen, you can make an extra what, $30, $50 a day. All right, $100 to $150 a day. Really depend on how you want to do it. How serious are you going to take it? I have multiple streams going on, so I'm not telling you this is my main thing. I have some things that I do that makes me some good money, but this is some good money as well. This could pay a light bill. This could pay a water bill, gas bill, cable, cell phone. I don't know. It's free money. At the end of the day, if you say, you know what, I'm good on money, but I can use this to put it up for Christmas. Why not? This could be your Christmas money you're putting up. You guys gotta use this, man, and say, you know what, I need to start jumping on some of these free opportunities, because the internet is wide open for any and everyone that wants to make money. And you know someone right now that say, you know what, I know somebody that's just sitting home not doing nothing. I can share this with them. Well, listen, go ahead and create your free link. All right, send them your link. All right, they'll get $1, you'll get $1, and just keep the thing rolling, man. It's free money. Okay, at the end of the day, it's free money. There's no more additional thing that I need to say or teach or tell you to do. It's that simple. You can create that type of post, and listen, you're going to get good and creative. Now, I can assure you, you're going to start getting leads. All right, people are going to start signing up. You're going to start seeing those emails, all right, that you're making money, and I guarantee you're going to start getting creative. You're going to start creating your own content. I just freestyled that right there. That's all you have to say. All right, but you can spin it your own way. Which the best thing to do is put a color background behind it, because what that does is it's the law of attraction. And so instead of me just putting a plain Jane post up, all right, I put it with some color behind it, so when people scrolling down, it makes them stop and see who has a PayPal account and wants to make some free money. And I would kind of put this. I tell you what, you want to capitalize free, make it stand out. Mine's, I don't want to. Okay, yeah, let's do that all caps. Okay, make it stand out. Put some emojis in there if you want to. All right, put some dollar signs in there. Okay, give it some pizzazz, some spazazz, some brass. I don't know, man. Listen, I'm having fun, y'all. Listen, that's it. That's all, man. It's the Multiple Strength King to deal with, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family, and on my team. Everybody eats, man. You want some money? It's out here for y'all. It's out here for the taking. All you got to do is go take it. Go get it, man. So listen, the link is below. bit.ly, break the broke cycle. Like I told you, all you got to do is go to bit.ly, all right, and you can go and create you a short link. So you have to use that long link, all right, and then you'll be able to market and advertise your business, man. And now you got your small business. Some of you all want to get involved with this online thing anyway. This is a good way to get your feet wet. All right, this is a good way to get your feet wet and start building a network. All right, you're gonna start. I'm telling you, you start putting this type of stuff in free groups. Start putting this type of stuff on your Facebook page. People are gonna be skeptical at first. That's the norm. All right, but you have a conversation with them. Listen, I thought the same thing, but I seen them like, why not? I don't have to put any credit card information in at all. No credit card information whatsoever. Okay, this is the free version, and they give you $1 per person. All right, so with that being said, man, I've said enough. Go get this free money, man. See y'all on the inside. Have fun with it, man. Go make you some money. And listen, follow my YouTube channel, man. Subscribe to my page so you can see all the other things I got going on. We're going to make money for the rest of 2018 and beyond. See y'all on the next video.